Hi, Sarah here with a haul video for you today. This is from Thompsons Craft Supplies and this is the mixed media kit. I'm guest designing this month, so watch out for my videos. They'll be on Monday, so my first one will be Monday the 4th. So without further ado, I will show you what I have been sent. So this is this month's kit. It's, if I read the card, it's called Dazzle in the Darkness, so there's lots of black cardstock and then glittery paints and things to use to add some sparkle. So thank you very much, Louise. I'm so excited to be guest designing. I will zoom in a little bit. Oops, there we go. And I'll start off by going through the papers and then I'll show you all the extra bits and bobs that go with it afterwards. So to begin with, we have these papers. This one is a Prima Midnight Garden Collection Old Map, this one is called. And as you can see, it's foiled. And then the reverse has got this distressed black and grey and beige distressed look to it. See there? Next, also a Prima Marketing. This one is Midnight Garden Collection and this one's called Midnight Garden. Again, it's got some beautiful foil accents on there and a lovely floral design. And then the reverse has it's sort of a bit like a leather kind of effect on that paper. It's burgundy distressed out into black around the edges, and there's a nice branding strip that can be used on that side as well. Next up we have a My Mind's Eye Necessities, and black and grey, and this is triangle. It might look a little wibbly wobbly on the camera because it is a small design with lots of triangles and they do sometimes look a bit odd on camera. Next there is a paper from Authentique. This one is Beauty 7 Collection Classic Beauty. So this side is a lacy floral in yellow and cream, and then the reverse. I love using a newsprint or book print, and there's all sorts of cute little vintage images on that one as well. The final paper is a 7 Dot Studio, and this is called Nature Walk, and we have this design up in the corner with some scripty bit there, and then it fades out into a black texture, black grey kind of texture. And then the reverse of that is this lovely sort of stripy wallpaper kind of design, I'd say, with lots of little extra distressed details all around the edges. Next up we have this chipboard here, and there's lots of, I think they will pop out, these pieces, and they're chipboard elements there, and obviously you can use the outside as well, probably use it as a stencil or to back things on, or as a piece to build up on top of, and that's by this company here. Also from that same company, which I cannot pronounce, so I'll just put it up there so you can see. There's this nice stencil which has got lots of circles on it. There's also this canvas board here that's pre-gessoed by the looks of it to use as well. There's these felt stems to decorate. They'd work really well because they're kind of like a silhouette, which are really nice. We have a Prima stamp, which is like a checkerboard with some scripty font through it there. We have these 3 metallic paints here, also from that same company there. I'll just double check that they are paints and remove this kitten who's managed to break in. Tinker, how did you bash that door in? So as you can see, it's this lovely, very thick paint with a beautiful pearlescent finish. Again, from the same company, we have some black gesso. There's this tub of paste. I believe this is the paper paste. I'm not positive, but I believe that is what it is. It's a texture paste of some sort. It looks very much like my paper paste, which I have, which is Prima. So I think it is that. There's some cogs here, which you could alter with the black gesso and add some metallic paint to, or do whatever you like with. Some pretty green, emerald green feathers as well. A bunch of white paper roses. And some more paper flowers. There's these ones here. This one's got beautiful lacy effect. I like that one. Really pretty. A couple of paper leaves as well. This scripty one and a black one there. And this lovely ribbon, which is lots and lots of leaves. So that is the kit, which again is Dazzle in the Darkness. I'm really looking forward to using this, so do stay tuned. I will have a video up on Monday for my first project, and I will of course link below the shop as well as the Thompsons Craft Facebook group, where you can check out what everyone is creating as they go along. And there's also I think it's a bi-monthly competition to win some store credit. You can also find my social media links below as well for any other projects, because I don't always do a video for every single thing that I make. So if you follow me on Instagram, you can see more of what I make. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. You'd like to see what I do make with this kit. And thanks again to Louise for having me guest design this month. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.